This is my ELRC 2507 Spring 2021 website. This is the home page. It's got my little bio. My tech blog link is down here. And then we'll click on biography. Here's me. It's got a short summary with my picture. These are my resources, those 5 websites embedded from Google Docs. Here is my personal favorites page. It's got, I really like Classroom Dojo, it's got that, it's got how to design a curriculum, thought that video was interesting. And then here's my technology projects page, starting with the digital story. Here's my video about Krista McAuliffe. Here is my mobile app over GarageBand, that little slideshow I made from Google Slides. You can click through. Here is my web page evaluation over the pre-K pages. And then here is my PLN PLE site that's got my 2 word graphs and then my 3 reflections over microblogs, curations, and regular blogs. And then here is my Apple Teacher Certification check. And then finally we'll click on my tech blog. This is my blog. It's got 3 posts. So here's the first one, a little bit about me. Second one is about copyright material. Third one is about using wikis. Oh, and then lastly, this is where this video will go, my screencast.